Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you and I hope you all are safe. May be excited for my class. So I'm here to teach you SST Standard 4 Chapter 6 and the chapter name is The Climate of India. So this chapter we have started yesterday and maybe it will take time because it's a long chapter and here I'm explaining you the seasons of India and today we will start the second seasons like monsoon. But before starting the chapter, we will take a short look at what we have learned in the earlier class about this chapter. So before starting the chapter and explaining these all, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework and project work because it will add in your term 1 exam and it's very important to complete it. And you can complete your holiday holiday homework, the online class homework which you received on the website of Hartford International School. So please complete it all these homework in your fair copy and it should be in good handwriting and legible handwriting. And please use dark pencils. So whenever the school will open, I want the homework you have to show me because I have all the details and I want all the homework that you have done in a date wise and it should be in legible handwriting. And maybe I hope that the school will reopen very soon. So please try to try to just enjoy the time and please don't waste the time. Try to complete the all things which you have, the remains things, the all remains homework which you have not done, so that you can complete these in pandemic virus. And we all know that it's a very pandemic virus like COVID-19. Because of this virus we can die also, so it's better that we can stay at home and don't go outside. And I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home. And whenever you are going to eat your meals, please wash your hand properly so that we will be safe from the COVID-19 like coronavirus. And I hope that you guys has book. If you don't, then please purchase it as soon as possible. So let's start. Today we will see the monsoon topic, but before that we will see that what we have in earlier class. So first of all, we have learned much more things about the climate of India. First of all, the climate, the weather and how it affects the climate. So first of all, the meaning of climate. We have learned about in this chapter the meaning of climate. So climate refers to the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. So again I am repeating the climate is like definition. I hope that you guys had read your book yesterday before after complete the online class. So I'm just going to tell you in shortly that what we have learned in the earlier class. So climate is what? It is the weather, the condition of a place over a long period of time. It may be described the weather of a place generally through the year. Weather, what is weather? So weather is the condition of the atmosphere. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a certain place and time. Like example, when you can say that it's a hot or coldy day, then it refers to the weather of a particular place at a particular moment and particular areas. But when we will say that in Himalayas it's cold and in hot, a desert in hot, we can refer to the climate. We know that that their climates, and because there are Himalayas are there and always receive the snow, so that's why the area is very cold. And the plains it's very hot because it's the scarcity of water and it's the sun bright, so that's why it's received too much hot. Next is what? In this chapter we will study about the region of India and why the climate is one region is different from the other. So first of all, the first topic is started in your page number 39. It's like factors affecting climate. So location is what? A location of a place determines its climate. Yes, exactly. Like where we lived, the places we lived. So the climate is also there, that where we lived, the location of a place that determines its climate. So, like suppose the places whose near the seas, and seas and areas of that near the seas and the areas which is near the seas, that area it receives cooler because cool winds blow on that time because of the seawater. But compare these the areas which is near, compare that other areas which is very far away from the seas. That areas it receives that climate, it receives hot. So again the places, suppose in the Himalayas or the mountains, it's like cooler, but the places in the plains are like hot. So it also determines the locations of a place, that word it determines its climate also. So the places where live, it is the main important, and it describes the climate also. So climate of a place, it also depend, the climate of a place, it also depends on the temperature, rainfall, and the direction of the wind which blowing. So first of all, the distance from the equator, it is an important factor. It is an important factor because overall all the climate of a place depends on how far the areas near from the equator. So that's why the climate is distance from the equator, it is the main factor about this climate. And the climate of a place, it can affect our daily life, like it can affect the people who live, the type of clothes, the food we eat, the kind, in fact the crops which we grow, and many are there. So like because for example, if the regions it receives heavy rainfall, then their soil will be fertile, and it should be rich. So plenty of crops can grow there, and that's why the factor of affecting the climate is very important for growing the crops also. So the second topic is season of India. Mainly we have three main seasons in India, like summer, monsoon, and winter. But there are two more seasons are there. It is the part of India, spring and autumn. That's why we have 5 seasons in India: summer, monsoon, winter, spring, and autumn. So we have learned about only the summer, that the summer seasons in India, it started from the middle of March, and it goes till the middle of June. Means it is in between the March and June. Here the temperature it rises during the time or year, and it gets very hot. These months is like a hot month, hottest month. And May and June are the 2 months which receives too much hot, which is called the hottest months of the year. Hottest months of the year. In fact, it is hot throughout all these months, but the mountains are cooler because snowy areas are there. That's why the mountains are cooler, and the plateau and plains are quite hot. In fact, in the northern place also a hot dry winds called Loo, it blows from in the afternoon. That's why our parents they never give us permission to go outside and to move from to friends home in the afternoon time in hot in summer seasons, because in that time in the afternoon that Loo is there, and because of this we can suffer from the fever also. So that's why that in summer times it's better that we can stay at home and we can enjoy the cold drinks, the sitting in the fan, and then the cooler and AC. Next is what? In summer is what? The days are longer and the nights are shorter. The days are longer and the nights are shorter. In other places, because in these months it's very hot, so most of the peoples they just wants to visit in hilly stations, like in cold areas like the Mussoorie, Nainital, Shimla, Darjeeling. So most of the people they just went there, visit there to enjoy the summer seasons. And by the end of summer, before just the monsoons came, and then the humidity rises up. It means the amount of water vapor it rises in the air and increases. So our next topic is monsoon. The monsoon we can call the rainy season also. The monsoon we can call the rainy season also. Now about these monsoon, we will go to the lecture number 2, and then we can see that about the monsoon seasons. Till that, please guys watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.